discussion platform, educator walkthrough. Hello and welcome. In this short walkthrough, we'll show you how to use the platform to manage online discussions with your students. If you're an approved educator, start by logging in from the homepage using your email and password. If you don't have a password, click on the Forgot Password link and follow the instructions to set one. Once logged in, you'll see your dashboard, which lists the discussion rooms you've created or joined. To create a new discussion, click New Discussion. Give it a title, for example, "This is my test," and click Open. The discussion will be created, but will start off closed and empty. Click Update Discussion to begin editing. You can add an introductory message, include questions, or upload an image or other material for your students to respond to. Discussions are private and only visible to students and educators who have been granted access. To invite students, scroll to the bottom of the page, enter their email addresses, one per line, and click Send Invites. Each student will receive a link by email to join the discussion. If you want to assign a co-moderator, first add them as a participant in the discussion, then contact your respective project partner with the request, including the co-moderator's email address. Once the discussion is open, students can begin posting comments. You'll see new comments appear in your dashboard. Click on any comment to read it in full. You can delete or hide comments if necessary. When moderating, especially with young people and minors, set a clear tone of mutual respect. Encourage constructive participation and model respectful engagement. If a comment is inappropriate, remove it and follow your organization's safeguarding procedures. When you no longer want students to post, remember to close the discussion. This stops new comments from being added, but the discussion will still be accessible to its participants. That's the walkthrough. You've seen how to log in, create a discussion, add content, invite participants, assign co-moderators, and apply good moderation practices.